Quick reading for January the 15th to January the 16th, Aquarius. So we have the 8 of Cups, the 10 of Cups, and the Devil card. Meron ditong nag-inarte, no? So, or pwede rin hindi naman ito inarte by that moment in time. Baka ito talaga yung nararamdaman ng taong to na parang, okay, I am going to disconnect, lumayo sa'yo. Ginawa naman. So, itong sinabihan na lalayuan, naniwala, no? Ngayon, during the process of probably leaving or unti-unting lumalayo, parang sinabi nitong taong to, sandali, hindi ko pala kaya, no? Babalik kaya ako. So pagbalik niya, may bawi na tong iniwan. Kala ko ba, no? Nagtatapang-tapangan ka, kala ko ba ayaw mo na? Eh ayoko na rin, no? Parang ganun yung nangyari. So probably someone here did something na pagsisisihan niya ngayon. It felt like tototohanin itong taong to, oh, di ba pinagpalit mo ko, panindigan mo, ayoko na, pagpapalit na rin kita. No, naku, parang nakakatakot naman to, Aquarius. Especially pag si Aquarius yung gumawa kasi may isang salita to. But anyway, this is your quick reading for January the 15th to January the 16th.
Predicting future isn't my purpose.